What's happening
It's
outside?
raining. I want rain.
It's
And
raining
stormy.
outside.
There's a lot of clouds, and there's icicles,
And then
and then a storm.
there's a storm. Look outside.
The plant is moving and it stopped.
Oh no, the lightning.
I sure it's turned to be tomato.
Is there a tornado?
Yes, it's pushing the plant. Oh no. I hear something right over
That's
there.
a thunder, baby.
Thunder?
Yeah. The
Thunderstorm?
thunder is growling. I think the rain is started to stop.
Yes.
Let's see. Oh my goodness. The lightning. May kidlat. Look, it's still raining. It's a heavy rain, baby. Again. I'm scared. I'm scared. That's fine.
Because of the storm, it's so scary. The children will be scared. So people will protect
Are you scared too?
the people's protect the children from safe. Sure.
Hi, Hannah. Yeah, it's raining.
I hear there.
Okay, bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye.
It's windy.
It's windy and the rain is so heavy outside, and then the thunderstorm. Oh, it's here. The lightning.
Oh
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye now.
no. Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. You take care. Keep safe.
Keep safe. And the safe.